One of the best things about working in human resources here at Thompson is our direct effect on our employees and the things that they need with our benefits programs and our payroll. We have a direct line to our employees, and we can help them, and they get to help their families and help their communities and everything that goes along with that. And so it truly does help not just the Thompson family, but the Thompson family help their own families. The people here at Thompson make everything special, and I think it's the support that you feel through everybody at every level. No one lets you get down on yourself. They're on your team, and you feel that every single day when you walk in here. I never thought I would ever want to be a director. I thought I was happy where I was. And when this opportunity came up for me, I was nervous to apply. And I did, and the company took a chance on me, and it's been challenging, but it's been the most rewarding thing I've ever done, and the support that I have from everybody in this company has just been incredible. So I'm proud of myself, and I'm proud to have the opportunity. Advice I would give to women entering the construction industry is to not be intimidated by the industry, and to know that there is a seat at the table for you here. You truly can do whatever you want to here, and the sky is the limit. And even if you come in as an entry level, there's plenty of room to grow. And I think it's a field that needs women, and so I encourage people to enter it.